Today we have a 2013 Nissan Altima. It's got a 2.5 in it. It's an SV model. The customer is saying it's starting slow, and the other day she hit the button, it did nothing. So we're going to replace the battery on this. We're going to show you where it's located and how to do it. This is your Nissan 2.5 motor. The battery happens to be located right here. They used the car yesterday, it worked perfect. Went to hit it today and it does nothing. So I'm actually in their garage doing this for them. We're going to start out by removing the positive, which is here. There's a 10 we're going to take off there and a 10 here. And then this has a little bracket that holds this to the battery. So we're going to remove that also. And then the hold down has two 10s on it, and that'll be the last thing we take off. I'm going to start off by taking this 10 off. And like I said, it's in their garage, so I don't have all my tools. So you kind of use what you got. Break this loose first. If I can get it on there, if not, I'll have to get something else. It's working. Spin that off. Pull the positive off. You can see it's a little corroded. The lady didn't do a good job of cleaning that. Now I'll do the negative. And this thing has nothing to it. It's totally dead. All right, next thing we do, we're going to take off these two and move this over. Next thing we do is remove these two 10s, which happens to be like a brace. Put that off the side. Okay, put this off. And that's just a nut. And now you can see that I can actually pull this off to the side. So I got clearance to get at these here. Last two we're going to take off are these two 10s that hold down your hold down strap. Put that up the front there. Do the next one. Okay, this one's longer for whatever reason, but I can still put it on there. Okay, now we'll remove that, take this off. Push this over to the side and just remove it like that. What we gotta do, grab around the edges like that and pull it out. This is the replacement battery we have. You can see the positive is on the correct side. It has like 600 cranking amps and it has 2 years for replacement. So that looks like it's gonna work. We're ready to install it. Now it had a lot of corrosion on the positive. We're not gonna, do the old battery or have to clean this one, but we do want to clean this end right here. Get all that corrosion off of there so we have good contact. All right, that ought to be fine. Take that off. Try to keep the positive away from there. Because now we should have a good hot battery to start this car. All right, now you can see how that's clean inside there, like that. And that's what you want. You don't want any corrosion or anything on that, just like that. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is actually put this positive on first, slide that down, and then I'm going to do the negative, and you can see it's got power. And I'm gonna tighten those up with my 10. Make sure you don't hit anything, of course, when you're doing this. Otherwise, you'll get an arc. That's plenty tight. This has limited space. That's tight. And now we're going to put this hold down back in place. So we got to move it around just a little. Get that where we want it. Like that. Same thing on the other side. Like that. Put the nuts on. And now I'll use my power tools because it's a lot easier. snug. You don't have to be crazy tight. Plenty tight. These are tight. Last thing we do is put this bracket on. Goes like that. Bolt goes on the side. The nut goes there. That one. Okay, go back and double check these, and this. Okay, and that's all it takes to install a battery on a 2013 Nissan Altima with a 2.5 motor.